Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is my second video. The first video I didn't use my voice because it was very loud, so yeah, I didn't use my voice. But now I'm using it. Yay! I would be playing features of Sonaria. I don't have a lot of good features, so yeah, I don't have a lot of good features, but I do have this thing. I need one. Look at him. Look, he's just screaming at you. So I'm just gonna use this Imira as my feature. It could be my signature feature or just a feature that I'm just gonna use for this video. I don't have any good palettes. This thing just looks oh, never mind. That's wait. You know what? I'm gonna just stick with the original. Now let's play. Oh god, ignore them, please. They're just there. Yeah. Hold on. Let me just. I'm on a tablet, so this won't be. I hope this video will be high quality, which I doubt. I doubt this video will be even high quality. And the map they've been. Yep. Well, we're trying to. Well, it's time to go to a race then. Let's go. I need to find waters for. Oh, wait, is that creature? We know that one. That's an NPC. And I cannot even sniff because there's a frog. Great. This is just fantastic. And oh, I should really stop wasting my stamina. Well, I am entering the desert. Well, why not go to Oasis and see what's going on over there? Your boss. Or creature. Please don't run from me. Wait. I need to tell you something. I need to kill you. Wait. Stop moving. I cannot catch up. I need to lay down. Wait. What if I can make friends? Wait. Oh, new feature. Time to die. God damn it. I cannot stop him. Screw you. Oh, time to jump up here and continue onwards. I thought that was. Never mind. To be honest, I thought this thing would be a bit faster, but it's not. It does look cool though. Yes! Yes! I needed this. Let's hope that nothing just comes out of nowhere. I'm just a little down the volume because it's very loud. Coffee. I wonder if anyone is nearby. Gleaming Abyss. Experience 2 thunderstorms. Oh god, this is Sigma Talks. Adios. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yeah, you don't see me, big Sigma Talk. There does he know? Oh, where is Winter? Up. Let me just sit here. No, not there. lay down and just get rid of this. Okay, now run away from me. This is a bad idea. I already know it. And new prey. I don't know what you want, or it's an Araxu. I'm sorry, little Araxu. It's a bad time for you to be here. Oh shit! Wait, he's running. He's running. He's retreating. Oh, ah, 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 ah. Oh, you are not running away from me. You're not running. Bye. That was a bad idea. I have 50. I need to get rid of this. The Sigma Talk still climbing. That thing is still climbing. I'll be laying down. I knew I knew doing that was a bad idea, but what I still did it. No. Oh look, a Noxu. And what the hell's that? Oh, that's a Jotunu? I think I read this. Ah! Then I didn't know Jotunus are this aggressive. Well, RIP to my Ami one. Anyways, I got this. Hold on. Here it is. Let's see, what will I get? Wow, wait, actually, wait. I heard this thing's good. I heard. I'm not too sure. And also, these are the other stuff. These are the other signature looks I have. I have 11 Cup Obsidian, 1 Nebula, 1 Violet, and 1 Frozen, and these two. I have 2 cat plushes, which are my best ones. I forgot I had this, and yeah, the others. Maybe I should go to Trading Plaza. Hmm. Frozen Soul, Sun Wizard. Oh, and also, guys, just to tell you, I used to have a very stacked account. I used to have a very stacked Creatures of Snoria account, but someone decided to try to log in, and while I was playing, I immediately got logged out. I tried to log back in, but it said wrong password. I literally triple checked it just to see it still says wrong password. So I lost the account and now I'm using this one. This is one of my newer accounts. So I'm just hoping to get back on my feet. Because I now, as you can see from my inventory, things are not looking as good. But if any of you wants to come and join me in Creatures Noia, you can just add my username. Here it is. You see that? Noob2YT. Or just type in noob2ALNS. Because for some reason, I did that. Some reason. Matt Mark. Sorry, Matt. I need to go to a trading plaza and try to trade my Halu and my Felicio. I need something very good that can help me get back on my feet. Trading Plaza. Why does why does this guy want 20 or 30 trial tokens? There's only 40. Dang it. Why do I feel like I joined the same server? Well, time to trade these two. They're so awesome. Yeah, I think I'm not getting any good trades if I'm staying in here. But who knows? Who knows? Wait, trading for wait. Then he's trading a Felicio. I thought he said trading for a Felicio, but I was wrong and I got my hopes up. Dang. Why is that? The hell is that? Wait, what the hell is that? I never seen the wait. What is that? Huh? Well, why not auction, I guess? Nope. Nope. Why not? I should auction my auction. Maybe I should auction my rice store. No. Nah. My rice store. My rice store has a piebald. Has piebald, so could be something good. Could be. Wait, my rice store. Look at it. Look at its beauty. Come on, buy it, buy it. Come on, come on. 1,000 starting bid. Come on. Anyone? Anyone? Damn. Well, I guess not then. I heard like people. I heard people they can just. Uh, What the hell am I saying? Never mind. To be honest, I just need a good feature so I can nest as it. So you don't go 2K. And also, guys, can you tell me what is the worth of the Obsidian? Because I'm selling it for 9.5K. To be honest, I don't know what's the actual price. I'm just asking right now. And also the Frozen Nebula and Violet Flame also I don't know the value, so could you help me out and tell me in the comments? Salamat. Well, I think that's all for today. It's already 13 minutes, so yeah. It's already 13 minutes and I think I need to go now. Alright, see you soon. And remember, like and subscribe if you like the content. Oh, what's this? Yeah, I think I can see. No, never mind. Well, like and subscribe to my channel if you like my content, and yeah, thanks for watching. How do I close this?